In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a striking text effect using Canva. This technique is perfect for those who want to add a bit of flair and visual interest to their projects, making your text stand out in a unique way. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of Canva and transform your text into a captivating visual element. First things first, head over to your Canva project. If you haven't already, open up Canva in your web browser and navigate to the project where you want to apply this text effect. Canva's intuitive interface makes it an excellent tool for both beginners and seasoned designers alike, so don't worry if you're new to this. Let's get started with the first step, which involves creating a single letter with a shadow effect. Type out any single letter of your choice. Once you have your letter selected, look for the Effects button generally found at the top of the editing panel. Click on this button and you'll see a variety of effect options. Choose Shadow as your effect. Now increase the transparency slider to the maximum, which will make your shadow almost invisible, creating a subtle cutout effect. Adjust the direction of the shadow according to your preference to ensure the text has that perfect layered look. One crucial tip here is to match the shadow color with the background of your document. This step ensures that the shadow blends seamlessly with your background, enhancing the cutout illusion. With your first letter ready and adjusted to perfection, the next step is to replicate this process across all the letters of your desired word. Simply copy the styled letter and paste it repeatedly. Spell out your planned word by repeating this method for each letter. A little patience goes a long way here, especially if the word is longer. Once you've arranged all the letters, make sure to select each subsequent letter and pay special attention to layering. Click on the Layers tab and choose Send to Back for every letter beyond the first one. This layering technique is essential, as it ensures that the letters sit on top of one another correctly, preserving the neat and professional look of your text. When you've gone through spelling the entire word and sending the correct layers backward, you'll notice the effect comes to life in a wonderfully visual way. By following these straightforward steps, you now have a completed project featuring a dynamic text effect. This process might seem minimal, but the visual impact is substantial and professional, perfect for presentations, social media posts, or anywhere you want to make your content pop. That's it. You've successfully created a shadowed text effect in Canva. I hope you find this technique helpful and can incorporate it into your design arsenal. Thanks for watching and happy designing.